What's up people, this is Sanjay, welcome to my showtime. Today I ordered a grooming kit from Flipkart, and why I ordered this, it's pretty obvious that I don't want to catch any infection. I don't want to go to a saloon to get my haircut done or my beard trimmed or shaved at a saloon, or neither I want to invite a hairstylist at my home to do the hair cutting job. You know, during this COVID days in India, the chances of catching infection from anywhere are pretty high. But if you are particularly going to a saloon, then you are exposing yourself, because you're going to be going there, sitting there, and it may take up to 15 to 30 minutes at the saloon itself. So the chances of catching infection at a saloon may be around 20%, which is very high. Or if you are asking a hairstylist to come to your home and cut your hair, yeah, it cuts down the chances of exposure, and the chances of exposure may be reduced to just 5%. But still, if you don't want to take any risk, then you need to order a grooming kit. There is a men's trimmer grooming kit from any online store. You can go to a store and buy it as well. I wanted to get that Philips grooming kit MG7715, but unfortunately it's sold out. It's not available anywhere right now. And then I wanted to order a Braun grooming kit that was also sold out, not available anywhere. So I ordered a Havells grooming kit. Let's see what's inside this box, because it has very good reviews about this grooming kit. So let's see this. Yes, done. This is what we get, invoice, and the Havells 4-in-1 grooming kit. The box from the front, it says 4-in-1 grooming kit, home service within 24 hours, 20 trims in one full charge. So it's going to give 20 trims in one full charge. I really doubt it. And on the side of the box it's mentioned Leon powered battery, 90 minutes of full charge, allows 90 minutes of use. And it has code and codeless use. So if you are using it codeless, so it's going to last for 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hours, and the charging time is 1.5 hours. But you can also use it coded. Ergonomic design, rubberized grip, washable blades and comb and blades can be washed, smart pouch is included, worldwide voltage 100 to 240 volt AC, 2-year guarantee, and the special feature is hypoallergenic blades, skin friendly and smooth glide. Wish everything was as it's advertised. And on the back it's written 4-in-1 grooming kit. Yeah, crisp review now. U-shaped metal trimmer, T-shaped metal trimmer, detail metal trimmer, detail foil shaver, length setting combs into 5, customize your beard and hairstyling from 3 to 12 mm. Okie dokie. Let's see what's in the box now. This is the back. We get a pouch here. And this is the front. The color is brown, and we got a comb in here on the blade, and it has settings from 3 to 7 mm. 3 to 7 mm. Okay, this is it. It's very tiny and very light. And let me turn it on. Pretty less noise of the motor, but there is some vibration in the hand. I can feel it. Okay, turn it off. And we got our settings from 3 to 7 mm, 7 mm. 4. You have to press upwards. 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is not very smooth. 4, 5, 6 and 7 mm. So you can have 4 different settings for your beard here itself on this blade. Now let me show you the other blades. This is the T-shaped one. Better focus. This is the precision one. This is the foil shaver. And let me see what we have in the pouch. We have the charger. The cord is pretty long. Manual cum warranty card. Empty pouch. No Havells branding on the pouch, which I would have appreciated. We got a cleaner, hair cleaner for trimmer. 4 different combs. 3 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm, and finally the biggest one, which is 12 mm. Let me set them here. You got this oil bottle. So this is what we get inside this Havells GS6451 men's grooming kit. And if you got any more queries for this, please do ask me in the comment section below, and please do not forget to subscribe and share my video. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye bye.